Pero para kay Arius at sa mga taga-sulit niya, hindi. Kasi sabihin, hindi ka na mamatay ang Diyos ang kulit niyo. Ayan. Mag-iiba-iba lang yan ng form. Pwede na lang sabihin, hindi naman talaga yung Diyos yung namatay. Yung human nature lang, yung body lang, but it's still the same evil. Only changing mask and appearance. Okay. Soon Arius gained many influential followers and they caused division in the church as well as in the society. They bothered the order of unity and peace in the empire. And so therefore Constantine, being the emperor at that time, and the Pope was very far, nasa Constantinople sila, they were in the east, the Pope is in Rome, and during that time there was no airplane. It took months before letters could arrive. And so the emperor called for the gathering of the bishops, which we call Ecumenical Council. It is called the first Ecumenical Council because almost all the bishops that would come from different parts of the world elected. There were more than 300 bishops, I think it was 380 bishops came to attend the Ecumenical Council. And it was patterned after the Jerusalem Council done by Pope Peter, and of course with St. Paul and St. Barnabas and all the rest of the apostles in Acts chapter 15, verse 1 to 21. And it was held in a town called Nicaea, which is a very important center in the Eastern Empire during that time. So they only have one goal in mind, to settle with finality who Christ really is. What is His nature? What is His origin? And His relation to God the Father. Patriarch Alexander Alexandria taught that Jesus as God the Son was eternally generated by the Father, which is correct. Ibig sabihin, the Patriarch of Alexandria that time, the Bishop of Alexandria that time,